So this is the breakdown of all of my tobacco stocks after adding 4 more yesterday. And as well, I saw that Yanzhou coal mining, it's a stock that I put a couple of euro into. Can't remember, it was like last week. Yeah, it just shot up 41%. I think this is actually my best position now. Same thing happened with Navios Maritime acquisition. Yeah, shot up 20%. Nice. Now, if I was a trader, that would have been a nice trade, but that's not my game. Just going to buy and hold. Anyway, getting off topic. So the first tobacco stock is Altria Group. Ticker symbol is MO. Trading for close to $51 per share. It's in the consumer non-cyclical sector in the tobacco industry. Its segments include smokable products, oral tobacco products, and wine. Its current dividend yield is a nice 7.1%, and it pays a quarterly dividend. The last one I received was for 73 cents per share per quarter. Next is British American Tobacco. Ticker symbol is BTI. Trading for about 37, closer to $38 per share. It's another consumer non-cyclical stock in the tobacco industry, and it's another US stock. It's a multi-category consumer goods company providing tobacco and nicotine products. Dividend yield is a nice 9.78%. Pays a dividend every quarter. And the last one I received was for 64 cents per share. And the next is British Tobacco. Ticker symbol is BATS. I was trading for about £26, 66 pence per share. It's another consumer non-cyclical stock in the tobacco industry. It's a multi-category consumer goods company providing tobacco and nicotine products, the same as British American Tobacco. But this dividend yield is 7.93%. It also pays a quarterly dividend. And the last one I received was for 53.9 pence per share. Next is Imperial Brands. Ticker symbol is IMB. It's about £15, 27 pence per share. It's another consumer non-cyclical in the tobacco sector or tobacco industry. It offers a range of cigarettes, fine cut and smokeless tobaccos and papers. Has a dividend yield of a nice 8.94%. Pays a dividend every quarter, and the last one I received was for 30 pence per share. Next is Japan Tobacco. Ticker symbol is JAPAY. It's close to $10 per share. So it's a US stock. I think it's on the OTC markets, based in Japan. Has a $4.32 trillion market cap. Good Lord. So it's 6.57% dividend yield at the moment. Pays a semi-annual dividend, but I have not received one yet, so I'm not sure for how much. Next is Philip Morris. Ticker symbol is PM. It's about 103, closer to $104 per share. It's another consumer non-cyclical tobacco stock, engaged in the manufacture and sale of cigarettes, as well as smoke-free products, electronic devices and accessories, and other nicotine-containing products in markets outside of the USA. Dividend yield is 4.7%. Pays a quarterly dividend, which is for $1.02 per share. Next is Universal Corporation. Ticker symbol is UVV. So it's trading for about $50.50 per share. It's another tobacco consumer non-cyclical stock in the US, and it's a leaf tobacco supplier. Its dividend yield is about 6.17%, and it pays a quarterly dividend, but I have not received one yet. Next is a new one. I have it written down here in the new editions. So I haven't received the dividend because I only bought in yesterday. But Swedish Match, ticker symbol is SWMAY. It's about $9.30 per share. So it's a US stock, but it's based in Sweden. And it develops, manufactures, and sells nicotine products. Dividend yield is a quite low 1.89%. And it pays an annual dividend. Next is Vector. Ticker symbol is VGR. It's trading for close to $15 per share. It's based in the US, another consumer non-cyclical. It's engaged in the manufacture and sale of cigarettes in the US and through its Liggett Group and Vector Tobacco subsidiaries, and in the real estate business through its New Valley LLC subsidiary. Dividend yield is 5.56%, and Vector pays a quarterly dividend, but I'm not sure how much yet. Next is Schweitzer-Mauduit International. Ticker symbol is SWM. Trading for about $37 per share. It's in the paper and paper products industry of the basic materials sector. It's a diversified producer of engineered solutions and materials for a variety of industries. But this includes the tobacco industry via the manufacture and sale of paper and reconstituted tobacco products, resin-based rolled products. That's an interesting one. Dividend yield of 4.6%, and Schweitzer pays a dividend every quarter, but I haven't received one. Next is Turning Point Brands. Ticker symbol is TPB. It's close to $50 per share at the moment. It's consumer non-cyclical stock in the tobacco industry. It's an independent provider of other tobacco products in the US. Smokeless products, smoking products, and new gen products. So it has a dividend yield of a quite low 0.42%. And Turning Points pays a quarterly dividend. And next is Miquel y Costa Miquel. Ticker symbol is MCM. It's about €16 per share at the moment. It's based in Spain. It's a Spanish stock. So it's in the paper and paper products industry of the basic materials sector. It's a Spain-based company primarily engaged through its subsidiaries in the production of fine and lightweight paper used in tobacco. Dividend yield of 3.54%. And I don't think I've received a dividend from them. I'll just double check. No, but they pay a quarterly dividend. So that's it for the tobacco stocks for the moment. Mainly US stocks again. So if anyone knows any tobacco stocks outside of the US and actually outside of the UK as well, because I have a few in the UK. If you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know. Or if you hold any yourself. It'd be nice to add a bit of diversity to the tobacco watch list. Yeah, and I don't know what happened with Yanzhou coal mining. That was a nice boost. But as I said, trading is not my thing. My idea here with this experiment is to see what happens if you hold them for 50 years. So I could regret not selling this €5.77, which is a 41% profit on what I put in. Well, I'm sure if it goes to zero, I'll survive. And if it continues, if it stabilizes, even at the level it's currently at, that would be nice. And coal is not exactly it's not exactly got the future in mind. Anyway, that's it for today, and I hope that you found this useful.